Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE X80 and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom and choose the system. And here we've got date and time, so simply tap on it. As you can see, now we are using network provided time and time zone. In order to set the date and time manually, click on automatic date and time. And here you can choose also the GPS provided time. In order to set it manually, tap on off. And as you can see, now the date and time is active, so we can tap on it and we can manually choose the date and time we want. So let's do this. Click on OK. As you can see, it immediately changes. What's more, you can also use the time zone which you will set manually. Simply turn it off by tapping on the switcher and click on select time zone, and here you've got the available options. So let me pick, for example, this one. What's more, you can use a 24-hour format like now. If you want to use 12-hour format, simply tap on the switcher right here and it immediately changes. To get back to automatic date and time zone, simply tap on it again and choose use network provided time. As you can see, it changes also immediately. The same situation will be with the time zone, and let's get back to 24-hour format. So that's all. This is how to change date and time in your DOOGEE X80. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.